So this is the price list. Take a quick.
Prices for the timeless classic are Reddit's. In Reddit's version, we have two color, that is of sage green and gray, which are of the same price. On road price is 1,99,230, and the other one we have Halcyon. In Halcyon we have three color. One is Halcyon green, gray and black, and the prices is 2,08,330. And then in Signal branch we have Desert Stand and Mars Gray. Prices 2,20,025. And the next we have Dark Steel Black and Dark Gunmetal Gray, and the prices is 2,27,407. And last but not the least, we have Chrome Bronze and Chrome Red. Prices is 2,31,207.
Okay.
Thank you.